Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about we need to prove this equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have this triangle in here. Now I will put this one that is about alpha. This one is about beta. This one that is about 90 degrees. So this is about right triangle. So we have the formula in here. Tan alpha equals to opposite divided by adjacent. Now let's say I will choose alpha for this one. So we know that s that is about s divided by number 1. So opposite that is for s and number 1 that is about adjacent. So opposite of alpha that is about this one in here. And that is about s. Adjacent that is about this one. And now we do similar for tan beta in here. So the opposite of this angle that is about number 1. And the adjacent that is about s. And because the sum of three angles in here should be about 180 degrees. We know that this one is about 90 degrees right now. So the sum of beta and alpha equals to number 90 degrees. Or that is about b over 2. Now this one we can put into s. If we use the inverse of trigonometry, so we have alpha equals to arctan of s. This one beta equal to arctan of 1 over s. We know that alpha plus beta equals to b over 2. And now we put this one cone here, this one cone here. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.